Question 1.2.2. Factorize 6x squared plus 7xy minus 3y squared. Okay, so here the coefficient of x squared is 6. Before we factorize the first one, I want us to factorize this example where the coefficient of x squared is equal to 1. Okay? There's a 1 here that is invisible. Okay? There's an invisible 1 there. Okay, so it means x squared plus 6xy plus 8y squared. We are going to open up two brackets. Okay, then the first term is x squared, and then the last term, it ends with y squared. So x squared we can break into x and x, and then the y squared we can break into y and y. Okay, then we want two numbers. When we multiply, they give us 8, and then the same numbers when we add, they give us 6. So what are the factors of 8? They are factors of 8 can be written as 1 times 8, can be written as 2 times 4. But now we must check which pair meet the requirements. We've got positive 1 and a positive 8. We've got positive 2 and a positive 4. What is 1 plus 8? It's 9. What is 2 plus 4? Is 6. It means this pair does not meet the requirements. So what are the factors? Is 2 and 4. It's a positive 2 and a positive 4. This is how you write it. Then if you want to check if your answers are correct, you can do the check by foiling out the x plus 2y into x plus 4y. Okay, let me clean this one so that the space is available. Okay, so what is x times x? It's x squared. What is x times 4y? It's positive 4xy. What is 2 times x? 2y times x is positive 2xy. And then what is positive 2y times 4y? It's positive 8y squared. Then we add these like terms. It gives us x squared plus, what is 4xy plus 2y? It's 6xy. What is the 8y squared? Remain the same. Okay, that's it for the example. Now we can do we can factorize now our expression. So it's given as 6x squared plus 7xy minus 3y squared. Now the coefficient of x squared is 6. So what do? We're going to multiply this 6 by the coefficient of y squared. So what is 6 times negative 3? Negative 3y squared. Sorry, we're going to multiply only the coefficients. So what is 6 times negative 3? The answer is negative 18. And then we want two numbers. When we multiply, they give us negative 18. The same numbers when we add, they give us this middle term, which is 7. Ne? So 18, many factors of 18, but the correct factor that we are looking for, it's 9 and 2. Okay, by this time this is negative 18, so it means another number must be positive, another number must be negative. So for you to decide, you must look at the middle term. The middle term is positive, so it means the bigger number is going to be positive, and then the smaller number is going to be negative. So the factors of negative 18 is 9 times negative 2. When we transfer these numbers to this side, it gives us positive 9 and a negative 2. So positive 9 minus 2, the answer is 7. So it means this pair is correct. Okay, now let me clean so that we have a space. These are our factors. So we're going to rewrite this a trinomial into 4 terms. So 6x squared remains as 6x squared plus the 7xy. Remember, we said the factors that makes 7, it's a positive 9 and a negative 2. So 7xy can be rewritten as 9xy minus 2xy minus 3y squared. Okay, then we've got 4 terms. It means we can group them into 2 groups: 6x squared plus 9xy. Then the second group can be written as minus 2xy minus 3y squared. Then from the first group, there's a common factor in 6 and also in 9, and then in x squared and also in xy. So what is common here? It's 3x. Then 6x squared divided by 3x, the answer is 2x, plus 9xy divided by 3x, the answer is 3y. Okay, plus common factor here, we've got y and y squared. So we're going to say y is the common factor, and then what is left? Negative 2xy divided by y, it's negative 2x. Okay, it's negative 2x. Then what is minus 3y squared divided by y? It's going to be minus 3y. The first bracket is a guideline of what must happen with the second bracket. So we've got minus 2x minus 3y. We must rewrite this bracket into this bracket the same way as this bracket. So the first bracket is, we've got 3x into 2x plus 3y. So if we want to change what is inside here, we must change what is outside. So if what is outside is a positive y, when we change, it's going to be a negative y. Once we change this sign from positive y to negative y, then what will happen here? What is inside the bracket is going to change. The negative going to change to positive. The negative is going to change to a positive. And then what are the factors? What are the common brackets? Is 2x plus 3y. And then what is left outside the bracket is 3x minus y. So these are our factors. Okay, this is done. Thank you.